None. Hey there, gut health enthusiasts. Today we're sharing the top vegan recipes that are not only good for your gut but also super easy to whip up. Let's dive in. First up, fermented foods. Think sauerkraut, kimchi and tempeh. These are packed with probiotics to help your gut thrive. Toss some kimchi on your salad or enjoy a side of sauerkraut with any meal. Next, smoothie bowls. Blend your favorite fruits like bananas, berries and spinach. Add a scoop of plant-based yogurt for those probiotics. Top with chia seeds and almond butter for fiber and healthy fats. Onto chickpea salad, perfect for a quick lunch. Mix cooked chickpeas with cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions and fresh herbs. Dress it with olive oil, lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Packed with fiber and prebiotics. Feeling soupy? Lentil soup is your go-to. Cook lentils with carrots, celery, onions and garlic in veggie broth. Add turmeric and cumin for flavor and gut benefits, super filling and nutritious. Finally, oatmeal with berries. A warm bowl of oats topped with fresh berries and flax seeds. Oats have beta-glucan, great for gut health. Berries add antioxidants and vitamins. These recipes are fiber-rich, nutrient-packed and full of probiotics. Perfect for anyone looking to improve their digestion and overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is key to a healthy life. So try these delicious vegan gut health recipes today. Like, share and subscribe for more health tips and tasty recipes. See you next time.